Imagine waking up, opening your phone, and seeing that you have made $1,000 in just 24 hours without working overtime or landing a new client. That was the reality of thousands of Americans using clever side hustles, online gigs, and market trends over the last few years. But here's the catch. 2025 is bringing big changes, and many of these high-paying opportunities are already drying up. Now, whether it's due to AI automation, economic slowdown, or new government rules like the tariffs, the easy money era is closing its doors. Now, before it is late, let's explore how people were making $1,000 a day and what you can do now to grab your share before the opportunity disappears. Now, this isn't just about curiosity, it's about actionable insights that you will get. By the end of this video, you will know 1. The top income streams that produce $1,000 per day for everyday people. 2. Why these streams are shrinking or vanishing in 2025. And 3. What you can do right now to pivot and protect your earning potential. So, stay tuned. Welcome back to the Next Level Lifers, where we take the next steps needed to grow towards our financial freedom and success. Now, we're going to be looking at the top ways that people earned these $1,000 per day. You can tell me in the comment section below if you are utilizing any of these options, or if any of these were areas that you were planning to embark into. Well, at least you will be able to get a better idea if it is worthwhile pursuing, but you might need to do some adjustments. But at least this content will direct you as to the way forward. The first one that we're looking at is e-commerce and Amazon FBA. Between 2020 and 2023, sellers rode the wave of online shopping demand. A single trending product could easily net $500 to $1,000 per day in profit. Remember that this was a period of the COVID or immediately after COVID, where persons prefer to order items online rather than risk going out to the brick and mortar structures, so online businesses saw a boost. Let's look at an example. A seller moving 40 units per day at $30 profit resulted in a $1,200 profit. However, in 2025, rising ad costs, shipping fees, and Amazon increased seller fees are cutting margins. I personally have exited the Amazon FBA industry just because of how much it was becoming unprofitable and was really not worth my investment of time and money into this area. So I had to just leave it be and cut my losses. The next area that we're looking at is content creation and YouTube. Creators with just 50,000 subscribers could earn $1,000 per day when you combine ad revenues, sponsorships, and affiliate links. But with AI-generated content flooding the platforms, competition is fierce, and ad rates are falling dramatically because advertisers are also cutting their budgets. The next way was high-demand freelance skills. Copywriters, coders, and digital marketers could bill $100 to $200 per hour. However, AI tools like ChatGPT are undercutting prices, and clients are now expecting rates to be given to them that are based on the utilization of AI. Therefore, rates are lowering. Let's look at the gig economy and delivery apps. In 2022 to 2023, drivers on DoorDash, Instacart, and Amazon Flex reported making $300 to $400 per day during peak demand. Some combined 2 to 3 apps and were clearing $1,000 easily per day. However, in 2025, there are lower base pays for deliveries, increased competition, and rising fuel costs. Let's look also at crypto and stock trading. Short-term investors saw massive wins during the bull market of 2020 to 2021. This would show a $50,000 account making around 2% in a day, resulting in $1,000 profit. However, in 2025, with higher interest rates and more regulations, volatility is lower, and so are the quick wins. Now, why is it disappearing in 2025 and expected to continue into 2026? Several factors are squeezing the $1,000 a day dream. First, you have AI and automation. More competition from bots and automated tools are wreaking havoc on industries. There are also economic shifts. Inflation and tighter consumer spending have reduced profit margins. Also, platform changes. Companies like Amazon, Uber, and YouTube have been cutting their payouts. And also, the last point, you have regulations. New tax reporting rules like the 1099-K means side hustlers owe more and they are keeping less in their pockets. Now, you watching this video, how do you future-proof your income? And this is the main part of this video. Instead of panicking, I advise that you pivot smartly. Diversify your income streams. That would see you not relying on any one platform stream or gig at any one time. You need to also face your fear. Start leveraging AI. Artificial intelligence should be used to save you time, not just you fearing it, but also using it, for example, to automate your social posts and to do your product research. Increase your efficiency with AI. You also need to focus on skills that artificial intelligence cannot replace. Skills like strategies, negotiating, creativity, and most importantly, emotional intelligence. You also need to build your assets, not just your income. Start a blog, grow a personal brand, and invest in dividend stocks. The bottom line is, the $1,000 a day hustle, it's not dead. It's just evolving, and so must you. Those who adapt will still hit or even exceed the $1,000 per day, but those who cling to a 2022 playbook may find themselves struggling in 2025 and beyond. Now is the time to evaluate your strategy, learn new tools, and build multiple streams of income that will withstand the market and economic changes. What's your action step? Lean in. Ask yourself, if one of my income streams stopped tomorrow, how long would I last? You can back up now. If the answer scares you, you need to start diversifying today. Thank you for the privilege of the time that you have spent with me here today. If you know of anyone else that is conducting a side hustle and they are wondering how they can make it more profitable, or you know someone that is planning to start a side hustle, please share this information with them so that they can know how to pivot, what to prepare for, and what industries they should consider going into. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.